Hi, we live in northern Texas, and our figs don't grow bigger than a quarter, nor do they ripen. What am I doing wrong? This is Joellen, northern Texas. How about that? So figs, and we know figs grow pretty well there in Texas.
Yes,
right?
they do.
So can we help Joellen out?
Well, the first thing I want to know is what variety are we talking about?
That's a good question.
Because Texas has certain varieties. In fact, we'll put on the website an extension publication from Texas about growing figs with some named varieties that they suggest. So that's what I want to know first. But overwhelmingly, figs get stressed very easily. And we had a really hot summer.
Yes, we did.
And figs are also shallow rooted. So she may have spot watered it, but it may not have been enough because a lack of fruits maturing and producing figs is from lack of water during times of stress or drought. So I'm thinking she needed to have watered it a little bit more during those times of hot stress in the heat this summer. And I think that, because, you know, August is the time that they start maturing, so that's when the rain stops.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
So, yeah, I think a little more, pay more attention to watering during drought and times of stress, and I think she'll get her figs to mature.
I would agree with that.
But she'll have to try for next year.
Have to try for next year.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, shallow root systems though, that's the key. Yeah,
it is.
So we had drought-like conditions. You know, it was definitely drought-like conditions here.
Yes.
In the Mid-South area. Yeah, if you don't get that water, environmental stresses.
Yes.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.